Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video and today I am here to share my journal for hashtag Artisan Journal Prompt 2024 hosted by Patti over at Life with Patti. I have her link down below and the hashtag in my title so you can go and check them out. Patti's having this open collaboration where she comes on each week and gives us a prompt and we create um, with that prompt. And this week's prompt is ocean life. I think we're on week 39 or prompt 39, whatever. um, so here is my page, and I just printed out some ocean life animals that I really like the blue whale, a dolphin. This is a Hawaiian monk seal. It's endangered. Also, the sea turtle. Let me push this. A manatee and a seahorse. These are my favorites of the ocean. And I know these are mammals and blah, 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 blah. Mammal, mammal, but I love them. They're in the ocean. I consider them ocean animals and ocean life. Um, so that is my prompt for this week. And go and check out that hashtag and see what everybody else is doing. And yeah, so thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.